dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's D'Andrea Renee, and today we are here to do another video. But if you are interested in the hairstyle that I am rocking, make sure you check out that video. I will leave it down below. So I was sent a easy do-it-yourself wig kit from Janet Collection. This is their new wig kit line. Now this is an all-inclusive wig kit. It comes with your 3 bundles of hair, and I got a temple lace frontal, and it also comes with a customized wig kit. Everything that you need, you guys. I got an 18, 20, 22 inch. Now this includes a mesh dome cap, some wig clips. You also get 2 C needles and 10 T-pins, some thread, 2 duck clips, and some esha lace wig glue. So here are the bundles. I have the temple lace frontal, so this is a little bit different from an average lace frontal, but here is the frontal, and I did receive the 3 bundles. Here is the 22 inch, the 20 inch, and also the 18 inch. And I did go ahead and construct my wig off camera, so now I am going to apply it for you guys. And you guys, it was a little difficult to do the temple lace, but I made it work. So you can use the esha lace glue to apply your wig, but I'm not going to wear mine for long, so I'm just going to throw mine on. But just keep in mind that they do give you that lace glue for the application. So I'm just applying my wig. I'm going to make this look a little bit more seamless, tame this hair a little bit, and I'll show you guys the finished look. So in here I just have some water and some conditioner, and I'm just spraying this hair because it is body wave. So when you add product to this hair, it does wave up, and I'm just taming a little bit of the frizz because I did have this wig on earlier. So I'm just giving some shine to this hair, giving some moisture. Next, I'm taking my wax stick and just applying that to my lace because I will be using my hot comb just to flatten out those flyaways. It wasn't a lot of flyaways at all. I just wanted to be really, really straight at the root. Now I'll be using my concealer to make my part a little bit more visible and to camouflage the lace. Now I'm creating a little bit of baby hair just to camouflage that lace. You don't have to do this part if you don't like baby hair, but I'm just taking my got to be glued and just camouflaging that lace. And here is my finished look, you guys. I really think this hair is really nice. It's really pretty. It's really soft. It's really lightweight. They give you just enough hair. It's not super full, but it's not thin at all. It's a really beautiful wave pattern, and they do give you a good amount of lace parting. And I did want to show you guys that you can curl this hair with no problem. And this is on 400 degrees, but I only had to do 1 pass, and this hair curled beautifully. And I also did a straightening test and bone straight, you guys. So if you guys are looking for a great beauty supply store option of hair that is not super expensive, then Janet Collection does have this really great option for you. They do have other do-it-yourself kits that do have mannequin heads for if you don't have your own. They do have a lot more products for you, so you can get whichever one works for you. I will leave everything down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not, okay, because this is some beautiful hair. I just had to sling it around just, okay, don't break your neck, girl. I had to sling it around just a little bit because I really did enjoy the way this hair looked. It really is some pretty hair, and it is a really great price. So if you guys are interested in this hair, I will leave everything down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.